Hey, what's up? My name's Chris. I just finished smoking some chicken on the grill and still got a good bit of charcoal left to burn, and instead of wasting it, we're going to throw some green beans on it, make some Arkansas green beans. Got some garlic, butter, soy sauce, brown sugar, bacon, and green beans, and a bowl, and a stirrer, and some measuring cups. Okay, so normally we cook this in the oven, so you'll mix everything in a big pan that way. But we'll be smoking them today, so we got some aluminum pans here. Got 2/3 cup of brown sugar going in the bowl. So we're gonna mix everything in the bowl first, add the beans, and then pour the beans back into the metal trays. We melted the stick of butter down in the microwave. 1/4 cup of butter. Pour it on the brown sugar. Then we got 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons, 3 tablespoons, 4 tablespoons. How many tablespoons we got?
5.
Wait, is that a half a tablespoon measuring
Nope.
thing you got right there?
7 teaspoons.
So 7 teaspoons of soy sauce, then 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder. Blend it all up together. So we drain the green beans. And we got a total of 5 cans of green beans for this today. So all 5 cans of green beans are in the bowl. Now we're spraying down the aluminum pans. And adding a whole little pack of bacon bits to the bowl.
Get them coated.
So it all fit into 2 pans. And those are going to go into the grill to smoke them until they're done. So it won't take too long. Right, so I've got the beans ready to go onto the grill. Now what I'm going to do is open up the vents all the way on the bottom so I get it kind of like an oven inside. As hot as it'll get. I'm going to put the beans on the opposite side of the charcoal. I'm going to let this beans soak up the smoke for a little while. Actually, what I'm going to do is take a handful of hickory and put it down on the charcoal here. Maybe a little more, and smoke the beans like that for a little while. Beans have been cooking about 20 minutes. So what I'm going to do is stir them up. That looks pretty good. They're getting they're warm. They're pretty hot. They're hot right now, but what I'm going to do is, now that I've stirred them up, I'm going to add some more hickory just so that the ones that I stirred up can get some smoke. Do not try this at home. Put it back on there, and we're going to let them cook probably until that smoke finishes. I'll come back out, check them again, and then they'll be probably good to go.
Hickory smoked Arkansas green beans.
Alright, so those the last bit of chips I put on pretty much stopped smoking, so I think we're about done. They're good and hot and ready to go. So let's get them on a tray. Oh yeah, got some good hickory flavor. Hickory smoked Arkansas green beans. All right, so here, let's go put them inside and see what's going on.
Mama, can I try the watermelon?
Why are you going to eat after? No. Okay, fine. No.
Oh yeah. Sausage ball. Alright, so if you want to see how we made these ribs, which you did not see in this video of green beans, we got a video for that as well. Look in the description below, you'll see a link to it if you want to check that out. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. You need to try these green beans because they're something good. Let me break it down for you. They're good. They're some good stuff. I like that. So go ahead and hit subscribe so you can watch my other videos. I got a few other smoking ones already. So if you want to see more, hit subscribe. I'll also do a lot of DIY stuff. So see you next time.
He's not going to the bathroom.
Hey, who asked you? For watching. All right. Thanks for checking it out. Hope you like those green beans. They were sure good. Huh.